Good morning, May 11th, 2022. This is US 30 pre-market analysis. From last night, let me move this out of the way here. The entry that never occurred. So we have, first of all, we have in approximately 15 minutes core CPI data coming out of the US. So that's some pretty heavy news. Beyond that, nothing else too much. So we'll expect some impact of that, obviously. Tomorrow, a little bit more PPI news, and Friday, pretty much smooth sailing. So with that in mind, here we are with price having pushed back up to this level. This was from Asian session last night, pushing up, and London session pushed up back again to retest these previous levels here of lower highs that were formed. Also pushing through into this zone. This is right around this 23.6 fib level. Now, I would have liked maybe price to push up a little bit further just to put my stop, very far outside of structure here. But I did get into an entry. I actually got into an entry here when I saw this exhaustion a couple hours ago, and then I got into another entry here. This is about the average of my entries. So, I do like that this hourly candle closed a little bit exhausted. We are still definitely targeting bearish, moves. Definitely. We're nothing but bearish, I don't think, at this point. So this is where we are in the daily candle so far. It has pushed up over the last, where are we? About what? 12 hours, 14, about 12 hours, 14 hours or so, 16 hours into the day. So, but this might very well close, pushed back down a little bit more exhausted. So we'll see where that goes. Everything looks like it's still pushing down. So it looks like, this is kind of just hovering, waiting for news to come out here in a few minutes. So we will see the effect on that. But as of right now, I have entered a position. I have my stop here, 32,555. Actually, whoops, let me put this back here. Actually, I have it to be exact at 32,555 is my stop. And my entry is approximately 32. That's about right, roughly. I have a couple entries, so it's about the average, roughly. And then I'm targeting 32,000 at least, which is a level that was hit yesterday during the big drop that occurred. I could see it retesting that level, or perhaps, if not, even pushing beyond that level. Going down to 31,800. Beyond that, zooming further out. Obviously we'll have those far lower levels. This will be more of a swing move, but we'll see what happens. But as of right now, this is what I'm targeting. We'll see what happens. If I get stopped out here, I'll just wait and see what happens. See if price pushes back up to this level, anywhere in this range perhaps, and start to exhibit some signs of exhaustion, like this, which would have been a great entry for me yesterday. Of course, I didn't take, but I will keep an eye on it, and let's see what happens today. So with that, keep an eye on the news, and I'll be back with you after New York session today.